Hello. Williams, Philippines. It is Friday, January 23rd at about 10:48 in the p.m. I know, what am I doing up at this unholy hour? Uh, they had some little after worship church let out at 9 p.m. They got here, started something about 10, having kids contests and yeah, a little dance contest of some sort. Yeah, got another one going for the kids tomorrow for the girls. Yeah, we're still celebrating Christmas, September through January. Sinulog is, yeah, very interesting here. Uh, anyway, had a fairly strange day. Got out and, well, first off, I slept in and then tried to catch some rest. Went out, got something to eat, came back, tried to get back to take a nap. That didn't work. Went back out and looked for a phone holder for my phone because the one on the bike doesn't fit my phone. So, but I'm going to need one that does fit on mine, you know, phone when I get when I get a motorcycle or a scooter. I'm going to need one to mount on there. So I'm going to need this eventually. So I'm starting to look. Uh, yeah, it is a very interesting day. And then got back here, took a bit of a nap, went there and caught that and left out of there, got over here. It's still going on. I'm old. I'm tired. I don't know how those kids are still awake at this hour, other than the fact that they're all excited to get stay up and have fun with the parents. Uh, so hopefully they'll sleep in tomorrow. uh, uh, Try to stay longer for tomorrow's. I'm not used to this being awake at this hour. Yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, swung by and picked up some food for dinner. Uh, yeah, I've got, I think, three pieces of chicken and some rice and some gravy to go on top of it. I think that's what it is. One of them's a hot spicy, one of them's a new lemon herb flavor. I'm trying it. We'll see. I got one regular. If nothing else, I know I will at least enjoy the regular. It's good. So, but we'll see about the hot and spicy. I'm usually like hot and spicy. So, yeah. Boy, bit on the tired and wore out side. Oh. Mm, yes. And even with all of the stuff I've done today and buying dinner out and lunch out, and yeah, somewhere around I haven't got it figured out yet, but I think 800 pesos. So $16 for the whole day in and out and buying my meals out. And one of them is at, yeah, not cheap. It would have been cheaper if I got it at the Calendaria, probably two-thirds the price, but that's okay. I'm not complaining. I'm enjoying. I get to try something new. Lemon herb chicken. We'll see. I've had something like that from a rotisserie in from Walmart and from United back in Texas. Lemon herb. I like that. This is fried. I'm going to find out. It is what it is. Anyway, having to get used to the idea of cultural differences. There's a lot of things that happen here that are different than in America. You know, learning, doing a lot of that lately. I'm enjoying it though. Uh, yeah, my learning is kind of opening my mind up to different perspectives of the world. Uh, I'm having to figure it out, and I'm enjoying figuring it out. It's definitely a learning experience. And hey, if you've never got to travel and see another country, I highly recommend it. If you're traveling and, you know, I highly recommend trying to live in another country or take a very extended vacation if you can. Uh, Living here has brought on some changes in my mindset. Not everyone here is trying to mess with you. They do something and it's just normal for them, totally different for you. You know, I don't know. Eh, Get out, explore, change. See the world and change your mind. Realize that not everything's America. I bounced around as a kid and got to see a lot of U.S. So I kind of got an idea of that then because of my dad being Air Force. And then I joined the Navy and got to go over and see a few different places and kind of forgot about them. But then getting to retire over here has brought back so much that I'd forgotten and opened me up to so much that is totally new. I highly recommend you get out and travel. Go see another country. Live. Enjoy it. Anyway, I got to get this in the can, and well, the Wi-Fi has been slow today. I don't know why. I think I need to reboot it. So I'm gonna shut this down and get it started on the upload. Anyway, William Williams Philippines. Like, comment, subscribe. Do you? And remember, enjoy being you. Enjoy life. Anyway, food, friends, family, more food. This is Fish. Fish is out. Later blessings. Bye bye.